Take a look at my hot tub. So the wind flew up, came in, blew this up. Look at this. There's my hot tub on and running. Pretty solid. So what I'm doing now is just chiseling it away. It looks like we're 2 or 3 inches deep with my tire iron because I'm not fully ready for it. Gonna make a little hole here. I'll show you my solution. There we go. Okay, so that was a water trough heater. That's safe for plastic tanks. So what I did was just chiseled out the ice off the top. It was probably 3 inches thick with my tire iron because I just came to see what was going on. So I didn't have very many tools with me. But that'll probably be 40, 50 degrees tomorrow. So this should be unthawed tomorrow. And the fact that this is only 3 inches deep, I don't know if there's ice around the edges or not. There probably is. I'm praying that those pipes didn't break, but I know they probably did. So I'll get to fix all of that. Well, I will be in here tomorrow and I'll give you another update. Thanks. Here's next day. Take a look. So all you naysayers say it was broken. Just that, your naysayers. A water heater, plugged it in, thing fired right back up. Working great. That's all I had to do. Lucky, lucky, lucky. The customers would always strap these on. These straps are broken, they're junk. So I rigged up a ratchet system here. Our pull strap is very simple to hold the top to the decking itself. It's not going anywhere as long as they put that on. So check out what I did, and that's my solution so this never happens again. Okay, so I threaded an eye bolt there into the joist, not into this metal thing, but into the joist of the deck. Put on a pull strap, not a ratchet strap, coming up over the top of the tank or tub. And then I had this nice little handrail to hook it to, beefy thing. If I didn't have that, I would have put another eye bolt in the ground over here. That right there will keep this thing from blowing off, pretty sure. All right, guys, catch you later.